Hey everyone, it is Sunday. Thank you for joining me for yet another video. Today I am actually going to be showing you how I do what I call a cover up, and it's because I did an oopsie on two of my previous cards. So I am going to be showing you the before, and then I will get back to you with the after. If you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will not be missing any future videos. So just to show you, these are my oopsie cards. Why oopsie? Because this here printed crooked and this printed correctly, but yours truly put her information on the front. I must have been high on juice or water for that to happen. So I am going to be fixing my oopsies and I will see you later. Everyone, thank you so much for being patient and waiting to see the end result of those two boo-boo cards that I had. I do have a few more, but at least this is an attempt to not waste paper, but instead to recycle those mistake cards and turn them into gems. So just to recap, if you can recall, the first one I showed you was one. The words were actually printed sideways, like crooked, but everything else was fine. With the second one, I stamped my information on the front instead of at the back, but the inside was okay. So I had to figure out how I will get those recycle those cards and still turn them into something beautiful. So I'm going to do the one where I accidentally stamped my information on the front. So voila, this is it. Technically what I did at the bottom here, I cut out where my name was like this, and I used distress ink, and I kind of did some sort of a mountainous type of pattern there at the bottom. And of course you notice I have my Christmas trees. I had a cut out joy to the world. These things are pretty much scraps that I used to make this card. These were extras that I had from a previous order, and of course these were some bows I got in a set from sale at Michael's. Then on the inside, this little area here, sort of mountainous, I kind of just stamped a reindeer, mommy and baby there for a minute. And the part where the words were, as you can see, I just used green because it signifies, it's a Christmas color. Typed out the words that I wanted, and then I used my pattern edge scissors just to give it a little sort of class or something. So this is the first card, and of course I will still stamp my information at the back where it should be, but this is the first one. You guys tell me what you think about it. I would appreciate your feedback. The second one, where it was printed properly but it was crooked, this is it. This is the second one. I had some leftover Merry Christmas die cuts that I had, including those pieces, and these are part of a pattern paper that I had. I wanted to tie in the Christmas colors in there with, of course, since I have the Christmas in gold, I wanted to add a little gold in here. And in the pattern paper, if you notice very closely, I do have gold in there as well. So these green pieces were scraps that I had for other boo-boo cards, which I was able to utilize. And then for these three strips, just on the back of them, you may not see it, but I do have some mounting tape there, so they're kind of slightly elevated up, so I was able to stick the flowers, the leaves in there, and just get it stuck basically. So this is the outside. Inside, because it was cut crooked, what I did was I took a piece of 5 by 7. I cut it out with one of my die cuts, and then I printed the words on it and then just stuck it on the inside. So this is number 2. So tell me what you think, and I will be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining me this Sunday. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a safe and wonderful week. Bye-bye.